Hi, Beyond Wrestling fans. Kimberly here, and I have one of my biggest inspirations and mentors, Lufisto, next to me.
Hi. We're sitting right here watching Taeler Hendrix and the XXX Diva teaming up for the first time, I think, but they've been kind of tagging up in a way.
Right, they've definitely been partnering with each other.
I've been one of their victims, actually. So I'm really looking forward to this match. My girl Jordan is in there with Deonna, who's a well-traveled wrestler. She's been in every promotion this year, really successful.
Yeah.
And let's just say it, the power right now is Jordan Grace.
Yeah, definitely somebody you don't want to mess with.
Nice arm winger, snapmare. Oh,
quick pin. But Taeler Hendrix managed to roll through. So she's not somebody.
Jordan's not only powerful, she's quite quick. Using her speed. Oh, that was kind of creepy.
Yes. I definitely see the villain thing she's going for. Looks like she is calling out Deonna Purrazzo. I don't know if I would do that, especially if you're going to wrestle, because Deonna Purrazzo has been calling herself the virtuoso of wrestling.
And you would know that as she, I think, was one of your first loss at WWE.
She did.
Wrestling Revolution.
She was. Not somebody to take lightly, because the mat work that she can...
Headlock into... Here we see the virtuoso
quick
right
pin.
in action. Yeah. Oh! Just missed the kick. Whoa!
Almost taunting Taeler Hendrix with that.
Second player game too. Quite upset right now. Oh, here are the guns. Is she gonna tag Alexxis? No.
No, it looks like they're gonna keep going together here.